a little cuckoo clock. Tick tock. Little cuckoo clock. How about a kiss for the baby? Oh, that's nice. Baby's sleeping. Back to snack time. What are you having for snack? Some sugar snaps or sugar snacks? No? You didn't just happen to point out exactly the sugar cereal you wanted? No Cheerios, Mommy. I want those sugary things. Hey, Kiri. That's Grandma's rug.
Icky.
Did it get a little icky there? You gonna wipe it up? Clean it up a little?
Me?
Can you say, love you, Daddy?
Love you.
That's pretty good. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Can you blow a kiss to me? Kiri? All done. Bye-bye.